Happy Thanksgiving, baby. You ready for your birdie quiche? You ready? I know you've been in your cage a lot because I've been cooking. You want to go try it out? Here. I need more than one hand. Let me close it up first. There we go. Okay. Yes, are you excited? Here. Go take a look. Go take a look at your special Thanksgiving birdie quiche. Yes, go take a look. It's super yummy. Yes. Oh, are you excited? Oh, that's good. Enjoy, sweetheart. Enjoy. Enjoy, sweetie. There's squash and pumpkin, cranberries, corn, peas, some crumbled walnuts, and I forget what else I put in there. Yeah, you like that, sweetheart? I baked it for 15 minutes so it's nice and warm. And now I can go finish cooking my meal. Enjoy, sweetie.